I've never used that. Yeah. Well, what do you think they're going to do last? Do I get to feel ready? I feel ready. I feel like I'm like just getting I can't wait to just feel like
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome. Before we begin, I would like to ask you a question. What built the world? Some may say industry, some may say invention, maybe even machinery. But all while machines whirled and engines roared, there was a force that carried us, the horse. For thousands of years, the horse has carried us. They carried our food, they carried our goods, they carried our messages, and they carried our dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, for thousands of years, civilization moved at the speed of a horse. Every road, every village, every kingdom built upon its strength. And all the while, they gave us something even more special than their strength. They gave us their trust. Today, we gather here, not simply to be entertained, but to celebrate the greatest partnership the world has ever known. Ladies and gentlemen, today you will see courage, you will see skill, you will see leadership, you will see extraordinary craftsmanship. But you will also see the horse. You will revel in his kindness, in his generosity, in his spirit, and in his strength. For the story of humanity, it wasn't written. Every step of the way, humans and horses have worked together, hand in hand. And that bond is something more special than anything. For thousands of years, horses have stood by us, and I think that's something to celebrate. That bond is so profound, so special, that we gather here today to honour it. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, this is Destria. Woo-woo! Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the horses and riders of Destria. Please give them a warm welcome. Big round of applause. Such beauty and such grace. Oh, that was amazing. Alright, now it's time to get a little personal. I think it's time we introduce our horses and riders. All right, so first off,